I might be AI slop, but the impact of 765 transmission lines on migratory birds is even worse. Massive EHV lines like these are literal killing fields for endangered species like the whooping crane, which can't see the wires in low-light conditions. While Encore brags about sustainability, could be building a multi-billion-dollar bird blender across our most sensitive wildlife corridors. I guess environmental impact only matters to the PUC when it doesn't get in the way of a California company's profit. Super.